Have you ever experienced the thrill of snagging a coveted airdrop in your favorite Battle Royale game? Well, if you're intrigued by the world of crypto, you'll find that airdrops exist here too. Join us as we unravel the mystery behind crypto airdrops and explore what they truly entail. Welcome to Whiteboard Invest, your #1 go-to source for clear and concise investing knowledge explanation. Here, we break down complex financial concepts using a simple whiteboard format, making learning about investing accessible to everyone. In today's video, we'll delve into what an airdrop is and the benefits it brings to those who participate in it. Imagine you queuing up for a music concert. If you've joined a music concert, chances are you're familiar with how they operate. You find yourself in a line with around 50 other people, all eagerly waiting to check in and secure a good spot inside the stadium. The most popular ones tend to have the longest queues, and sometimes you're stuck waiting in scorching 100-degree weather, risking a sunburn while you wait. Picture yourself standing in that line when suddenly a worker approaches you and cheerfully asks, "Hey, would you like some complimentary lemonade or juice?" Given the scorching heat, you eagerly accept the offer without hesitation. But while you gulp down the refreshing drink, a curious thought crosses your mind, prompting you to ask the worker about the reason behind the free juice. With a smile, he explains, "We're actually launching a fruit juice stand nearby, and we thought giving out free lemonade here would be the most cost-effective way to spread the word." As you enjoy the refreshing juice, you nod in understanding, realizing the clever strategy behind the free offer. With each sip, you watch as the line gradually shortens, appreciating the thoughtful gesture even more. Airdrop follows the same approach. So what is airdrop? Airdrops involve developers of a cryptocurrency platform distributing free tokens or coins to users. You might be wondering about the purpose behind this practice. Indeed, it's essentially a form of advertising aimed at spreading the adoption and use of the coin. In short, developers hope that by giving people free coins, they'll notice the addition to their account and be enticed to try out the cryptocurrency. At times, though, these airdrops serve to reward early adopters of an application or protocol. In fact, Uniswap had done this. If you don't know what Uniswap is, don't worry. We'll have a video to explain it to you. So make sure you've subscribed and turned on notifications to receive information every time we release a new video. Back in early 2018, Uniswap launched, enabling users to begin swapping their tokens. It's important to note that Uniswap was initially a centralized application. At the start, they operated from a headquarters and had a team of developers on their payroll. Being in the crypto space, they sought a method for their company to transition towards decentralization. To achieve this goal, they introduced a Uniswap token, specifically designated for voting on certain platform changes. This allowed token holders, who were essentially investors, to participate in voting on protocol changes. Rather than having one person make all the decisions, this approach empowered token holders to have a say in the platform's governance. But why would token holders sell their tokens? And what if there's no demand for their token? This is where the airdrop strategy came into play. Uniswap distributed approximately 400 Uni tokens to every wallet address that interacted with their application. At that time, the value of these tokens amounted to roughly $1,000. Just imagine receiving $1,000 for simply trying out an application. For those who held onto their tokens, they are now valued at around $4,600. To grasp how they achieved this, it's important to delve into some technical details. Initially, Uniswap operated as an application run by smart contracts. Moreover, these smart contracts are publicly available for anyone to examine. So, to conduct the airdrop, they essentially compiled a list of every wallet that interacted with their smart contract and proceeded to send them free Uni tokens. And one more thing, this type of airdrop is actually referred to as a retroactive airdrop. Exactly, Uniswap retrospectively examined past interactions and compiled a list of wallets for the airdrop. They intentionally chose to reward the early adopters and testers of the platform, rather than solely relying on their current list of wallet users. Indeed, this practice is quite common with governance tokens. These platforms aim to provide the community with a fair means to vote on future changes. In essence, They aim to reward early adopters rather than random users, ensuring a more equitable distribution of governance power. Moving forward, let's discuss something known as an airdrop calendar. If you're interested in participating in airdrops, there's a dedicated website to assist you in finding them. It offers a calendar featuring upcoming airdrops for various coins and tokens. Additionally, they provide explanations about what you need to do to qualify for each airdrop. Sometimes participation may require using the platform, while other times it may involve tasks like sending out a tweet. Exactly. It varies depending on their marketing strategy. That website is airdrops.io and has been utilized by numerous airdrop enthusiasts in the past. We do want to emphasize the importance of researching any project or token you plan on investing in or receiving for free. Another valuable resource is CoinMarketCal, which we haven't covered on the channel yet, but it's an incredibly helpful tool. You can sort projects by airdrops, but CoinMarketCal also features other noteworthy dates, such as when certain coins will go live, when they start allowing staking, and major updates. Indeed, CoinMarketCal is an incredibly useful tool for anyone looking to conduct research on new or established coins. Now that airdrops have gained popularity, they're starting to become associated with deceptive advertising and scams. For instance, it's relatively simple to send airdrops to the last 10,000 active Polygon wallets. So, when someone checks their wallet and finds free tokens, they might get curious, visit the website, and potentially become hooked. However, airdrops used primarily for advertising purposes can be likened to telemarketers in the crypto world. In such cases, people may not be interested in the free tokens being offered, and they're unlikely to conduct any research about what is being promoted. Just like the juice example I used at the beginning of this video, this scenario is quite similar, except instead of giving out free juice, it's like giving out chewing gum that's already been chewed. Nobody wants it. So now that you know what airdrops are and mostly how they work, that's the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really hope that you learned something, and don't hesitate to drop your questions or feedback in the comments below. Because of YouTube's algorithm, please give me a like so that this video can reach and help more bros. And click the subscribe button if you don't want to miss my next explainer video.